Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach simple movie ticketing system using Showing application. It's a very simple project. Here let I show the demo. Here you will be able to enter the tickets, right? How many tickets you need. If I enter ticket 10 tickets for the particular movie, click add button. Here your ticket number is 1. It will print out until the ticket 10, right? So the each ticket I will be provide the cost of 20. So here it will be calculated and display the total below 200, right? So let me see how to do this system step by step. Now let's enter the ticket 5. Here it will be 5 2 2, right? It will be working successfully, right? Now let's go to the file, new project, Java application. Next, here write movie ticket. This is a simple application. Ticket. Click finish. Now your project has been successfully created. Now this is the source package. So source package, select this one, new JFrame form. Here we have to write movie ticket, TIC. Finish. Your frame has been created successfully. Now we have, let's expand the frame little bit. Here first select the frame, go to source, press Ctrl F, Ctrl plus F on your keyboard. You can get this easily, the text box. You can type UI, press enter key. You will be able to see this one. You can change this a metal. So we need the metal format. Now you can execute the program and check. This is the actual look of Java. This is the actual look and feel of Java application. Okay, you can make it this one, right? Right. Now what I am going to see, if you done this stuff, let's go to the design. Now let's redesign the page. So go to the palette. First I am going to design the heading. So drag and drop the label here. So here first time what I am going to see, you have to drag design here is movie ticket. Movie tickets. Right. Now let's select this one. Right click, properties. Click on the font property, bold, width 36. Right. If you want to change the font, you will be able to change the font. Be able to change this something very different font. You can able to change. And like this one, right? Present key. Okay. Change it. If you want to change the size of the font, size of the text, 48. Right. Now let's drag the panel. Right click, properties, no border, soft bevel border. Okay. Now here drag one label. This label we have to edit. We have to change the one as tickets. Select this one, properties, font property, bold, width 24. Right. Now here we need a one text box, text field. This one we have to able to drag here and drop it. Here we have to select this one, text field. We have to change the font as with bold 24. Right. This. Okay. This one. Select this one, edit text, backspace to remove the existing text. Select again. Change variable txt ticket txt. We have to write tickets. Press OK. Right. Now what I am going to do is here, we have to drag one text area over here. So you have to write the text area, we have to drag it. Right. We have to drag the text area over here. After that, what I am going to do is here, we have to drag the label with, we have a text field. This is the total we have to calculate it, right? So we have to like this. So we have to write like this. So select this one, total, select this one, properties, this one you have to type the 36, close it. Right, now here we have to type this one, this also font we have to, we'll be able to change it as with bold 24 36, we will be able to change for the, we have to store the total ink big. Okay, so it will be nice, so we have to, this is the existing text, this one should be, we have to change the color as black, so background color is a black, foreground color mean it is a background color, foreground color mean that's a letter color, we have to change it as letter color white, then only we will be able to see. Right, now this one should be a text area, this also we have to put it as a black, it is a attractive look, you can check here, black, this also foreground color we have to make it as white. Okay, this is the thing, sorry, so we have to change the background color, so black. Right, this is the thing we have to do it, it's a very simple design. Now let's make the programming. Right, so first we have to put it one button, simple button, this add button. Right, select this one, properties, font also you have to make it as with bold 14. Right, now let's check it how it's work. Right, so select the, now when you give the tickets, how many tickets you need, we have to calculate into and display all the tickets here. So how to calculate and display, first we have to go to the this one, add button, event, action perform. First, this is very important stuff, the showing application for Java beginners. So first you have to write them here very simply. First you have to write int numbers equal integer dot pass int, what is the text box, the text box name is tickets, Control C to copy this one, Control V to paste it below here, get text. Right, this is the thing we have to type over here. After that what I am going to do is here, I have to put the loop and loop it, all the things we have to loop it. So we have to write the for loop, initial value x, we have to create the variable int x equal 1, we have to initialize the value 1, right, 1. After that we have to create the condition for the for loop. For loop, when you are writing the for loop, the start with the initialization value, after the condition, after that increment. So this is the condition, x less than or equal this number, what is the value you are entered here, it will be loop it. Okay, after that x plus plus, it is calculating. Right, after that we have to inside here, we have to write the text area. What is the text area? We have to write name txt count, we have to put it txt count, we have to change the name as txt count. Right, then only we will be able to check. Okay, txt count. Okay, now what I am going to do is here txt count. Now let's back to the source. Now here I have to write txt count dot set text, here we have to write txt count dot get text plus, you have to write the text here, your ticket number is, you have to put it here. Now here we have to write the value x. Right, after that we have to write the next line, we have to print the statement, so write next line, that's the thing we have to write, that's the thing we have to write. Okay, now let's check whether it's working fine or not. We enter 10, here it's working perfectly well. Now I need to increase the font size, that will be must. Select this one, we have to write center screen also, and we have to increase the font size little bit, so you have to write default size will be 13, we have to 14, 18 should be so fine. Okay. Now we need to calculate the total. So how to calculate the total is go to the source, go to write what is the ticket you are entered here, putting to the number variable. So you have write the another variable tot int tot equal number into we have each ticket we have provide 20. Okay. Now we will be calculate the total. Okay, so we have to print txt tot total dot set x, this one, txt total right. Okay, here we are write txt total dot set x, txt this one, copy this one, so write txt total dot set text, dot right here, string dot value of dot. Okay, this is the thing we have write. Okay. Okay, now let's check whether it's working fine or not. 10, it's working perfectly well here. 10 tickets are printing here, it will be 200, right? Now I need to drag the date. So date also we have to get it from the palette. We have to download the date calendar. So there are many plugins are there. These are also the date picker, the date calendar. I have downloaded this is J calendar jar, you can download it. This is also relevant jar file for download the J calendar. So here this is also the best here. It's very difficult, very good things, right? You have to download and put it here. You just go to the Google and type calendar jar for Java. You can get many plugins, right? You can put it here, right? Very simple way. So after that, here you have to first clear the text box. Txt count dot set text clear. Why I put it here is when you are enter the here 10 ticket coming here, again I am going to put 2, it will be clear and entered here. If you 3, clear and entered here. If you 7, it will be clear and entered the 7. Each time it will be clear and here it will be working fine, right? I hope you guys you understood the things well. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.